Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add in body or face effects to your videos on CapCut PC. So select your video, go to effects, and instead of clicking on the video effects, you're just going to click it again so it like closes, and select the body effects one. They have like for like a full body, and they also like have just like the face. For instance, like this one, I think it only like, okay, maybe not, but like for instance, I'm trying to like find one. Let's go to funny faces. Like this one, it only like targets the face, as you can, sorry, it's just funny. Like this one only targets like the face of the person, but like sometimes they have like others where they don't. This one's also like just the face of them, as you can see. Can't really see it that much because it's not like, oh, I know a great way to show you for the face effects. Here, this one will show better. So if you go to the effects section here and go to like the selfie one, it only like targets the face area, as you can see. But they also like have ones for like bodies as well. Like this one, like it targets like the whole body. But yeah, you can change like the colors here if you'd like to as well. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!